Welcome to StoRemote and all our how-to videos. This is a series of video tutorials that will help you access your account and navigate through the system. How to locate sales. Sales information are usually found in your reports. You can get to your sales from your dashboard, selecting the Sales Report button from the pop-up. You may also go directly to your main dashboard on the top right corner, select the Modules button. When the drop-down menu appears, select Reports, and there you will see all the available reports. In this video, we will show you how to access from your POS window. From the POS window, select the Modules button found on the top right corner. When the drop-down menu appears, select Reports for you to access all the reports needed. Sales reports can be located from the daily sales.